To add the video in Framer, follow these simple steps. Open your Framer project. Log into your Framer account and open the project you want to edit. Select the frame or section. Navigate to the area of the page where you want to add the video. You can either use an existing frame or create a new one by clicking on the frame tool from the toolbar. Insert video using the embed tool. Click on the insert panel on the left side of the screen, then select the embed option. In the embed settings, you will need to paste the URL of the video you want to embed. For example, if it's a YouTube or Vimeo video, copy the video link from those platforms and paste it here. Adjust video settings. Resize and position the embed frame on your page. You can adjust the width, height, and alignment as needed. Use the right panel to customize additional settings such as autoplay, mute, or loop if supported by the video platform. Preview and publish. After adding the video, preview your design to make sure it appears as you want it. Once satisfied, click publish to make the changes live.